guys, it's Bella. Today I'm gonna be dyeing half my hair pink. It's super temporary dye, so it's not gonna stay in for really long. I'm doing it because I'm going to a concert and I gotta look cute, you know. So yeah, I'm gonna cut it down the middle, but I'm gonna dye this half pink. It's like a soft pink, it's not like hot pink. It's gonna be pink. That's good. Okay, so like I said, I'm gonna be doing half
my hair pink.
This is the dye I'm using. It's like L'Oreal. It's semi-permanent #pink200. So I'm gonna be dyeing the left half of my hair pink. My dad said that if it is permanent, I have to cut my hair off. So I will.
#Sue.
I'm kind of scared that I'm not gonna have enough. My hair's quite long. Like, let me get up on here. Nice and long. So I might just end up mixing some conditioner in to be safe. But yeah, we just gotta see what happens. I kind of wanted to go and get my roots done before I did this because like my roots, they look thick. But you know what? IDGAF. Okay, I need to check if that's even. I can't tell. Okay, I'm just gonna put it up really quick. I'm gonna be using some scrunchies. But yeah, I'm doing this the day before I'm going to this concert because I want the color to be hella vibrant because my sister, she's used it before. It came out in literally 2 washes and I'm really just trying to have pink hair for this concert. Ooh, that's not even. Okay, let me just. Okay, check in. I can't tell if it's not even or if I'm just looking at the camera weird. It's not really gonna matter because my hair's long. It's kind of like split in the middle, but like, I still want it to look good, you know? I just want this shit to be good. Oh yeah, and as I'm putting in the dye, I'm just gonna like speed through it because I'm gonna be listening to music and I'm not trying to get copyrighted on like my second video, so that's the plan. It's like not even tight. You know what? Yeah, that's good enough for me. IDC. Brush this side out again. I don't really know how I'm gonna brush this. I'm so sorry that you can't understand me. I never learned English and I can't speak correctly, so I'm sorry about that. I might start out like going at the bottom, like tying this bit up. Yeah, I think I'm gonna do that actually. Okay. Cause like this is heavy. Like this is a nice weight, but I don't know if there's just gonna be enough. I mean like. I had this little bowl already, so I'm so professional. Okay, so we're gonna start with that, and we're gonna see if that's enough because there's still some up in the bottom. But no, I'm gonna put in some conditioner. I'm just gonna start with the end of this. That did literally nothing, but you know what? It's the thought that counts. I'm being like a real hair care man. Okay, I'm gonna start my music and I'm gonna start to lay down the hairs. Speedy time. Okay. I'm just gonna use my hands, I don't care. so it can simmer you. Okay, I'm gonna. So fucking. I'm just gonna be using little clips. There we go. Looks fucking sexy. Okay. Okay, so I'm gonna be back with you in 30 minutes and I'm gonna take a vid of me washing it out. So stay tuned. It's been 25 minutes. I'm gonna wait another 15 minutes because there were some bits that I wasn't able to get very good and I just wanted to like suck it right up. So we're gonna wait for a bit longer. Okay, I decided I'm gonna wash it a little bit earlier than expected because I'm way too scared about it staining my hair really bad and me not being able to get it out. So I'm gonna go ahead and wash it out because my hair is like hella blonde, so should be no real problem. So I'm just gonna stick my head under the faucet and wash this shit out. Look at it. Whoa, that's a cool hat. Okay, so for all the people that may be coming here to learn how to dye their hair, I don't know why. You rinse it out with cold water because if you use hot water, it pulls a lot of the color out. So if you're coming here for info, don't do that. So I'm just gonna shampoo it really quick because this shit needs to be clean. My phone's leaning on the shampoo bottle, so I might fuck it up for a second. Teehee, don't get mad at me. Okay, we're good. My dad said that if this is permanent, I'm gonna have to cut my hair off. So if it is permanent, which it's not, I'll just move out of the house so I can keep my cute hair. It looks a lot pinker now that it's wet, but once it's dry, I think it's gonna be like a kind of soft pink.
It's never a soft pink, just remember that.
I'm really trying not to get my other bun in it because I don't want to wash all my hair again because I just like washed it yesterday. And the thing is, when you have bleached hair, you don't wash your hair that much. I think I'm gonna make another video about how to care for bleached hair. You need to be careful with it because it'll be explained. Okay, I'm gonna wait for the water to drain a little bit. I did definitely get the other side of my hair a little bit wet, but that's fine. But yeah, everyone should know this, but when you bleach your hair, it pulls so much like moisture out of it, and it makes your hair very, very fragile. If you haven't done anything to your hair, like you have virgin hair, you can just like pull it really hard when it's wet and it'll like no strands will break. But the thing is, when you have really bleached hair, if you do that, since there's not much moisture, and the little like hair cuticles are starting to peel up because hair is like this. Virgin hair is like this. Bleached hair is like this. So it can just like rip out. If you do that with bleached hair, it'll rip a ton of hair, and I don't even know what I was talking about, but thought you should know that. Water got on my face and I am not happy, and my nails are a little bit stained. But you know what? It looks cute. I'm not sure if I'm actually like getting all the color out, because the thing is, I don't want my hair to not be like completely rinsed out and then lay on my white pillow and then have it stained, or stain my back, because I'm gonna be at a fucking concert, so I need to look my best. I need to look my best. Yeah. Oh shit, I just got it all up on my other side. Okay, and I think I'm done. I just really want to make sure that I get all the color out. Oh my god, now I'm like kind of scared if it's gonna stain or not. Can't change what I've done. Ugh. Okay, it looks kind of bad, but it's dry. It's wet. It's wet, so what can you expect? So I'm gonna use this towel to kind of like pat it dry. I'm gonna need to put some product in it. My mom just got this argan oil and Moroccan oil, so I'm gonna use that. Another thing, just for hair in general, don't use a regular towel like this to dry your hair. I know I'm doing it right now, but I don't have like any other shirts to like dry my hair off with. Don't do anything that I'm doing right now, especially if you have bleached hair. It's a very bad idea, and it's very bad for your hair actually.
Yeah, don't do anything that I'm doing. I'm doing everything wrong.
A lot of people don't know that, but like get a nice microfiber towel and like a silk pillow cover, and your hair is gonna be thanking you in the long run. So I got the oil. It's by Garnier. It's Sleek and Shine Moroccan Sleek Oil Treatment. It has Moroccan and argan oil in it. So I'm hoping that that makes my hair not really dry because it feels extremely dry right now. Probably because this is like the second time in like 12 hours that I've washed my hair, which is a lot because the last time I washed my hair like before this morning was Saturday. Today's Friday. This was kind of cute. I need to rinse my special cup out. I'm just putting water in it, haha. Get a nice little dab of it and just pull it through my hair. Also, when you have bleached hair, you need to make sure that you get your roots, like the extreme roots and like the very tips of your hair. Just a little bit more. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with a little bit of this. It's by Cantu Shea Butter Leave-In Conditioning Repair Cream. This is a really, really good product. I'm not gonna go anywhere with that. I don't really like how it smells that much. I just don't really like it that much. But the thing is, like, since I take so many days to wash my hair, it doesn't keep my hair moisturized. Like, by the third day of me, like, having washed hair, like, my hair starts to feel dry again. So I have to go over it and, like, spray it with water and then put more, like, just moisturizing stuff in it. Because my hair just gets so dry. Like, if I were to not put any product in it, all my hair would be gone. Also, don't brush your hair when it's wet. That's a bad idea. Okay, so I'm just gonna leave my hair to air dry now. I'm gonna come back probably in another 30 minutes to brush it out. When it's like totally dry, my hair takes like no time to dry, but I'm gonna go back in a little bit. You know. Okay, I'll be back. Howdy, the tips of my hair feel extremely dry, so I'm gonna put a little bit more oil in it because you can never go wrong with a little bit more oil. You may think I'm putting so much oil in my hair, but I guarantee you, my hair will suck it right up and be asking for more. So don't you worry about me. God damn, I really wish I had my roots good. That would have made this so much more epic. I keep on sliding my foot around in a dye that I dropped. I am not a happy girl. She's gonna check me. My room's hot as shit. Just told me